Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. My name is Brandon. Y'all have probably seen me before in Derek's videos. I've decided to go ahead and start my own channel. Just see how things go. Be able to help me out by dropping a like on this video and subscribing to the channel. That would help me out a lot. We've got a lot of content coming up to you guys that we're going to be bringing out. A bunch of different opportunities available here. So we'll just see what happens. So today we're going to be installing the GT350 steering wheel on my car. You ready, fucker? Let's go. We got a wheel to install, bro. Look.
Go ahead. It's your car.
Right,
Figure it out.
Let's go. Here's the cars. Everything's out. My boy Jake actually just got me this wheel for my 21st birthday, so shout out to Italian Stallion 410. So, as many of y'all might have known from seeing me in Derek's videos, this is my 2015 triple yellow Mustang GT Performance package named Minion50. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already at Minion50. Show off all the cars while you're at it. Go. Come down here. You got my dad's car into my GT. Here's the Deep Impact Blue 2014 GTCS with the Whipple supercharger. Then down here you have my mom's 2014 GTCS in sterling gray. Down here we got bitch boy Derek out here in his 2013 Grabber Blue 50.
Hey, what happened when this car was NA though?
This car got me NA, but I actually just ordered my tune for all my headers and all my bolts-ons, so we're ready to go. And then over here we got Ruby 50, the homie Jordan in his 2014 Ruby Red 50. What this channel is, I know a lot of y'all have seen me with Derek and everything strictly with the cars. I want to go a different route with my channel. I want to do some Mustangs. I want to do a lot of different cars, keep it more in general automotive, and then throw in a couple fun vlogs every night. So today we're actually going to be installing the GT350 steering wheel. We're wrapped in all the Alcantara flat bottom, so I'm happy about that. But let's go take you to my car, show you around. I'm so stoked for this because I really love my interior parts. Because I feel like this Alcantara definitely looks a whole lot better than this normal leather in here. Plus with the flat bottom, it's going to be a whole lot better. But as you can see, I have a pretty insane setup. Everything I have in here. Got Sync 3, digital dash. I got all the goodies in here. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, move it into the garage, and then we'll get right to the install.
What's going on out here?
Don't worry about it.
Is that shit even running? You calling me out, homie? Let's go.
No. Alright, so now that the steering wheel is in here, we're going to go ahead and start tearing things down. First, you got to unhook the battery.
Because all cars have steering wheels.
You got to come unhook the battery so you don't get zapped out of your balls. Pop that off.
So you want to disconnect both of them and touch them, right?
Oh yeah, make a firework. I'm in the hole.
Okay.
So,
Did you grab your lube?
no KY jelly today. So what you got to do is you got to take a little flathead like this and you got to put it into. But I don't know what I'm feeling around for.
You'll feel the spring give you tension. You just push on it, and then at the same time you push the bag out.
So.
I'm putting the battery back on.
Yeah, so I get a face full of bags. Just head in there, and then you just pop the airbag out. Then you gotta use, you need a flathead to get these out.
So now that Brandon started the channel, when's yours coming?
I don't know. To be determined.
It's not.
So next week? I can still see you.
Use this little flathead. You gotta come in here and you gotta prop these two up, and then you pull out the yellow ones here in a second, and then you come back here and push down there, and then pull that one out.
We're good.
Yeah, so just a reminder, when you fuck with the airbag, always disconnect the battery. Because if you don't, you go to mess with those wires, and you'll have an airbag blow up in your face, and that wouldn't be good. So now what you have to do is you have to come in here and we have to find the size that bolt is and take it out.
What size he's needing?
Don't know.
Still looking.
They're looking. 24 sounds like a winner.
Maybe. Yep.
Ha! I should have played the lottery.
So a size 24 socket goes onto this big bolt, and then you just pry it loose, and then after that the wheel should just come right off. So pop this 24 on in there and get it to go the right direction. So the bolt should be loose enough now to where you can just kind of pop it off. So we'll come in here, and there's the bolt holding on your steering wheel. And then the wheel should.
Not too hard, just pull towards you. Shimmy it.
Without smacking yourself in the face.
I was about to say that. Did you get yourself?
No, I didn't smack myself.
Okay, hold
I
on.
don't want to break these.
Yeah,
You're good, just feed them through.
Feed them through. Nothing should be connected.
That pops out. It's broken. That pops out. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to go inside and swap all these buttons on over to the new wheel. So let's go ahead and... Yeah. So now that your wheel is off, you want to make sure you don't ever touch this and leave that in the same position it was when you took the wheel off. So I might have cut myself a little bit on the toolbox. It's all right though.
Dang, you might need stitches for that.
Yeah, no, we ain't baby like that.
You sure?
Yeah, I might be small, but we ain't that babyish. So
Go
now
ahead.
what you got to do, pop on a little Torx bit. What size? A T20 Torx bit, and you'll come in here and grab all of these bolts, holding in all the bezels and the buttons. All of these bolts and buttons and bezels will all transfer over to this wheel, and they'll fit in perfect. All right, so we've got all of these loosened. This one you'll probably have to use a flathead to do because it's held on there pretty tight. So once that's out of the way, then they all just pop up. These you'll have to unhook, which I think just goes down and out. And then boom.
It's father-daughter time.
Shut up. Pieces are now off and they're ready to be assembled onto the new wheel. So I'll probably pop that one on right now. All right, so as you can see here, everything's been transferred back over. Now we just need to feed these wires through, go back out to the car, and let her rip. So now we come in here, we plug that in. So that stays on this side.
Feed the yellow ones through.
All right, so the wheel is now on. Now we gotta come grab the bolt and put the bolt back in. Yeah, you wanna tighten this down with a good amount of torque, but don't overdo it. So now the wheel is on there tight. Now we throw the airbag back in place. All right, and then we got to flip that over. And that's on there. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna reconnect the battery, get back in, test all of our steering wheel buttons and switches, and just make sure everything still works. Everything works, so looks like we're done here. That's a successful swap with the steering wheel. So one last thing to do, and let's go take a drive and see how this thing feels.
So how's it feel?
Feels amazing.
Is it a lot better than the leather one?
Oh, dude, yes. This whole wheel feels amazing. I also haven't driven the car in a week. Yeah, I want to say a huge thank you to Jake at Italian Stallion 410 for hooking me up with this wheel and just completing the interior. I'm absolutely in love with this wheel, and I've always wanted flat bottoms, and I finally got it. All right, now for the ultimate test. Let's see how much grip she's got. She grips. Alright guys, that's going to conclude the install on the new steering wheel. I'm very pleased with it. Thanks again, Jake. If y'all like what y'all saw, please drop a like, please subscribe. Stop back again. We'll have plenty more videos coming soon.
Next one.
So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.